Hi community! Welcome back to my channel. This is Zia Valiente, your vocal coach for today. We are now at the second episode of my series, Usapang Boses with Zia. If you haven't watched my first episode, just visit my channel or my playlist and there you will see my first episode, which was about singing using your diaphragm. Now, let's go on to singing using our nose, or which we call nasal singing. So others might wonder, what is nasal singing? Ano nga ba talaga to? Is it a condition? Is it a singing problem? Or a singing technique? So we're going to answer those questions here, so stay tuned until the end. Uri ng pagkanta o paraan ng pagkanta na mas nagkakaroon ng resonance sa ilong or sabihin nating pagkanta na gamit ang ilong. Hindi. Kasi kahit anong gawin nating paraan ng pagkanta, makakanta pa rin tayo gamit ang ilong. Dahil meron tayong tinatawag na mga nasal consonants. At ang mga nasal consonants na to ay ang mga titik N, M, at NG. Ang tunog ng M ay M. Ang tunog ng N o titik N ay M. Samantalang ang tunog naman ng NG ay Now, let's try to sound them as well. Gayahin niyo ako. Titik M, ang tunog ay Ikaw nga. Ngayon naman, titik N, ang tunog ay Parang medyo kinakagat yung labi. Ikaw naman. Okay, good. Next ay titik NG na kung saan ang tunog ay parang banda dito sa ngalangala. Ikaw nga. Ulitin ko. Ikaw nga. Okay, magaling. But I just want to clarify na may tamang paggamit ng ilong sa pagkanta. Hindi rin kasi maganda na throughout or all throughout the song ay lagi mong ginagamit ang iyong ilong. As Annabeth Novitsky said, she's a voice teacher, most people don't prefer nasal singing because it limits the beauty and tone of the sound. Ang sobrang paggamit ng ilong sa pagkanta ay hindi magandang pakinggan. Now, let's look at the difference between singing nasally and singing with just having nasal resonance. Kakantayin natin yung I climbed every mountain and swim every ocean. Lyrics yun dun sa kantang You Are the Reason ni Callum Scott. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean. Did you see the difference? I hope nakita nyo, 'di ba? Medyo hindi maganda talaga kapag all throughout the song, lahat na lang nung kinakanta mo, even if it is not a nasal consonant, ginagamit mo pa rin yung ilong mo. So, tandaan, ang nasal singing or ang pagkanta gamit ang ilong ay gagamitin lang natin para sa mga nasal consonant. So, hindi kasama dun ang vowel letters, yung A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Now, how do you know if you sing nasally? Let's sing the short phrase, beautiful girl. Yung salita o yung phrase na beautiful girl, mapapansin nyo, wala siyang N, wala siyang M or NG. Let's say them aloud in our normal speaking voice or singing voice. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. Now, hold your nose with your fingers. Parang ganito. Or gusto mo ganito. Hindi, totoo yun. Totoo yun. Pwedeng pag ganon. Or pag ganon. Pero dahil ayaw nyo nun. At ayaw ko rin naman nun. Pero pwede kasi yun. O, ganito na lang. Siguraduhin walang hanging makakalabas sa ilong mo. Then, sabihin natin or kantahin natin yung Beautiful Girl habang napipinch natin yung nose natin. Okay? Ngayon, bago natin gawin, ito yan. Kung meron kang balancing pag-resonate sa ilong mo, hindi mababago yung tunog mo. And still, makakanta ka ng maayos kahit na pininch mo yung nose mo habang kumakanta ka. Pero, pag nagbago ang sound mo, ibig sabihin, may nasal sound ka. Okay, let's do it. Tingnan nyo to. Ako muna. Then kayo. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. So, I'm not singing nasally. What if I sing nasally? Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. You see, parang clogged yung nose ko, para akong may sipon, para akong ngongo. Ganon ang pagkanta ng isang nasal singer. Parang ngongo. Ganon. Okay, now, you try it. Okay, community, sana naging malinaw. Kung hindi naging malinaw, mag-comment kayo kung medyo kulang pa yung explanation ko. So, community, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Next Wednesday uli, I'll be talking more about nasal singing. Like, kung nasal singer ka, paano mababawasan or paano ma-eliminate yung nasality sa yung pagkanta. Ipapaliwanag ko rin kung ano yung cause, ano yung dahilan, bakit sobra yung nagagawa nating paggamit ng ilong natin sa pagkanta. Ipapaliwanag ko ito sa inyo sa abot ng aking makakaya. So guys, I hope sa mga nakapanood nung first episode ko, yung singing using your diaphragm, sana patuloy yung pinapractice lang yung mga 3 different exercises na sinabi ko sa inyo. Kasi, pag pinractice nyo siya ng pinractice, at natutunan nyo ng huminga, or kumanta, using your diaphragm, madali na lang yun. Pati yung pag nasal singing nyo, medyo mababawasan, ma-eliminate. Kasi, you sing using your diaphragm. Patuloy nyo lang i-practice, guys, because practice makes perfect and muscles have memory. I hope this video helped you a lot. Please give me your thumbs up if you like this video. If you have some questions or topics that you want me to share here, just leave your comments below. If you're a newbie here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Zia Valiente reminding you that you are more.